Welcome back to Ingwa News. Tensions flared in KPM after Dhyan Foundation volunteers and local supporters protested a 12-hour relocation notice issued following the demolition of Zambaulim cattle shelter. The protesters questioned the urgency of the order, demanded action against those responsible for the demolition, and sought compensation for the damaged infrastructure, while authorities cited public safety, sanitation, and animal welfare as a reason for relocation directive.
We have not gone through the notice. The notice has been served by the Mamledar, Mr. Afonso of Kepe, to Madam. It is a Xerox copy that has been served to her on a Sunday. Apparently, the order says to vacate the premises within 24 hours.
12 hours.
12 hours or 24, whatever. 12 hours. 12 hours time has been given and signature of madam was taken on by serving a Xerox copy under duress and coercion, surrounded by so many people. Now I want to bring this to the notice of one and all that a Xerox copy has been served. You can see somebody must have emailed and or WhatsApped, and he must have taken out a print, and it is serving in haste. Who is the person behind all this? Who is pressurizing these government servants? I have been myself a government, so I know rules and regulations. Who is behind these authorities? What is happening behind the stage? Person is not arrested, but we get a notice within to vacate in 12 hours with all these cattle who are injured, pregnant, rescued by shedding our sweat and blood. This is injustice happening in Goa. I am sorry. Goa is becoming a terrorist state. Lot of influencers are with us. They are spreading good message. But this has to be stopped. Somebody comes, 150 people, ransacks the place. Animals are on the roads. They are injured. They are pregnant. The small little calf was found walking in Tilamal 3 kilometers away. In the night, madam picked it up. So this is outright injustice. I don't want to say anything more. But if we are told to vacate in 12 hours, arrest the culprits in 12 hours, then we'll vacate.
जर तरी नोटीस आतां हांगा इशू केला इतके सकाळी 8 साकून हांगा लोक जमलेले आसात आनी एक नोटीस हांगा सर्व केली वता थ्रू बाय मामलेदार केपें which is a Xerox copy. I don't know the legal terminology of this thing, whether a notice to be accepted on Sunday, that is and that to a Xerox copy wherein not a original signature, nothing is there, and not a, even from Vimod M. Dalal, Deputy Collector Division Magistrate Kepe. विमोद दलाल म्हणटा त्या डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा कडल्यान नोटीस सर्व जाता ती वय आयताराक जर नोटीस सर्व जावंक शकता जाल्यार 4 दीस जावन गेले ह्या गोष्टीक 4 दिसां भितर एकूय अरेस्ट जायना आनी एकूय मनशाक अरेस्ट केलो वचना म्हाजे भशेन तर आतां जर आमी आत्तां मेरेन सुद्दां माय रिक्वेस्ट टू द फावंडेशन वॉज टू वेकेट दिस प्लेस आय वॉज रिक्वेस्टिंग कित्याक नाका आमकां बोंगू नाका कित्याक त्या गोरवांची हाल करया काय म्हणून पण आतां तर म्हाका दिसता जर तर नोटीस सर्व जाता गोरवांक ह्या गोरवांक ही आमकां नोटीस न्ही ही गोरवांक नोटीस सर्व जाता की हांगासून भायर सरा म्हणून जाल्यार आमी हांगासून भायर सरचे ना एक तर 2 ऑप्शन आसात ऑप्शनूय दिता एक तर सगळ्या गोंयच्या जनतेक पयलीं आव्हान करता ही कितें हांव हे तुमच्या भरोश्याचेर हे नोटी हें आव्हान करता म्हणून तांकां एक ऑप्शन इज 150 जाणां अरेस्ट करात जे कोण हांगा मोडपा आयिल्ले ते ही हालत करपा आयिल्ले त्या 150 जाणां अरेस्ट करात ना करना बरें आसा ते कोणी ऑर्डर केली पयलीं त्या मनशाक अरेस्ट करनाका पण ताका हाडात आमकां आपयात आमकां म्हणजे सगळ्यांक न्ही 1-2 जाण रिप्रेझेंटेटीव कोणी येतले फावंडेशन फ्रॉम द फावंडेशन एंड फ्रॉम द समाज 1-2-4 मनीस येतले त्यांच्या मुखार आमने सामने बसयात कॉम्पेन्सेट फॉर द लॉस वी वील मूव आउट विथ रिटर्न की आमी परत आमकांय मागीर त्या नंतर लिगल हे नाका आमी हांगासून भायर सरतात आमी गोरवां घेतात वतात कॉम्पेन्सेट हे लोकांचे घामाचे कश्टांचे रक्ताचे पयशे ते एक कडेन करून शेड बांधली वता बरोबर आसा तुमकां जमीन जाय घेयात दवरात जमीन म्हाका तुमच्या अगेन्स्ट कांयच ना पण ती जमीन तुमकां दवरात कॉम्पेन्सेट करात जर तर मनान मातशें सुद्दां जर तर हिंदुत्व जागे आसा न्ही जाल्यार कॉम्पेन्सेट करात आमी हांगसून भायर सरतात आनी आय वील रिक्वेस्ट द फावंडेशन ऑल्सो टू मूव आउट फ्रॉम दीस प्लेस इफ इट इज कॉम्पेन्सेटेड एंड अपॉलॉजी लेटर इज बीन गिवन